We're back for part 2 of our video on how to do the skate park activity. So you should have clicked on playground at the bottom of the page on PhET. So I'm going to go ahead and click on playground on my side. Once I've double clicked, I'm going to then see what my next instruction is. It says click on the line with 3 dots on the left. Drag the dots to create another U-shape effect of the length of track. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go ahead and click this in. I'm going to make a U-shape. Alright. That's a cool U-shape, Mr. Sawchuck. Okay, so now what does it say to do? Now it says make the right side of the track longer. Start your skater on the right side and draw or write what happens to the skater. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make the right side of the track longer. That's a little bit longer. Let me bring that down a little bit. And I'm going to drag and drop my skater up here and let him do his thing. Boink. Okay, so now the result. I would put that the skater fell off, wouldn't I? Yes, let's go ahead and put that down for our result for when the right side is longer and we drop him on that side. And then include here your possible reasons why. Why do you think that he fell off? I'm not going to ask you to answer that one because I don't want the kids on the video who are watching it later to steal your answers. But do write your answer in there. I know I'm going to put mine in one of these days. Next, I'm going to check out my next instructions, which is to make the left side of the track longer with a short right side. I'm going to start the skater on the right side again and draw or write what happens to the skater. So let's go ahead and make the left side longer than the right side. Okay, and I'll make my right side a little bit shorter. Cool. And I'm dropping him on the right side again. So let's drop it. Okay. Well, that was a little disappointing, but at least we know now what happened. So you are definitely going to write down what happened there. Did he do anything cool or crazy? No, not really. How would you describe what just happened? Anybody want to try to describe it? Yes, ma'am.
So he got on the lower side, and it was on, if you go over right, it would be so much more energy to push you off. But since right's so much more shorter now, he didn't have enough energy to push you up onto the left side. So they fall off because there was so much less energy.
Yeah, so he couldn't really get up there, huh? And then you already included in what you just said the possible reasons why that happened, which I'm not going to repeat because I don't want the people online to steal the answers. That's right, because I'm evil, Mr. Sawchuck. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go to the next part where it says loops. Now I'm going to have you know I don't know how to make a loop, so I'm going to try really hard. Now, use the line with 3 dots to add a loop to the track. Draw or write what happens to your skater when you start it from the top of the track. You may need to use multiple tracks. The line with 3 dots. So I'm going to do this. What we'll do is we will go over to our track. I'm going to add a couple of more tracks. I happen to know that I'm going to need at least 3 for this. I'm going to go ahead and make this part, like the bottomy part, and then I'm going to add this part here. Okay. Then I'm going to put that part there, and put that part there, and then I'm going to bring this loopy part back here. And does it say to drop it? It says yes, to drop it. Okay. Here we go. So we see him fly up, 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 up. What if well, first I'd have to put in what it is that happened with my first version of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do my little picture of that loopy track. Okay. And then I'm going to write down what happened. right, I have a question. What's the question? How do you spell what? Kind of? K-I-N-D-O-F. Kind of. Okay. So, he didn't really make it around, did he? No, he did not. Next it says, click grid. Start your skater at different positions on the ramp. What happens if your skater is on the ramp at or before the highest point of the loop? So here's a part where you can kind of play with it and mess with it to adjust it and see. So I've got the highest point of the loop is right about there. I need to turn on my grid. And does he make it? He does not. Let's try it from right here. Go, 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 go. You can do it, little buddy. You can do it. Oh, no. So I might need to make it a little bit more intense. What if I make this a slightly tighter loop? Let's try it. Let's try it. Here we go. Whop. He's going, he's going, he's going, he's going. Oh. What if we bring that loop down a little bit?
How did you do that? That's cool.
Thanks. Oh, no, you didn't go anywhere that time. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, no, no, no. You think like this?
That's definitely No, actually, no. Make the hole a little bit smaller.
You think make it smaller?
Yeah.
Oh.
Make the hole a little bit smaller.
Yeah, he's making. No, he's not. It's too steep. It's too steep.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
It's too steep.
Oh.
There's a bump
There you go. Now
right
it's
there.
good. That's good. It's going. Now yeah.
All right, so now we're thinking,
Yes, it will.
oh man. Yes. See you later, skater. Okay, so that is what I'm going to put down here. I'm going to put in that information there. So I'm going to go ahead and pause right now. If you are at home watching this video trying to figure out how to do this, you might want to go back and rewatch a couple of times. That might help you out. If you are face-to-face, then you might want to go back, watch a couple of times to figure it out. So the next thing for you to do, if you get done with that last part, is I want you to go ahead and check out the next simulation, which is the pendulum simulation. This one's considerably easier and it has less moving parts. So if you look, it's got this cool pendulum thing, and I want you to complete that as well. When you're done, all you have to do is upload to Schoology on our page for this assignment right here under the energy folder, where it very specifically says Kinetic and Potential Energy FET Digital Lab. You're going to click. You've got all the information you need to download stuff. You got the other intro activity and the website, and you'll just submit over here where it says submissions. And that, my friends, is how you do this assignment. Best of luck.